So here's how to restore default font in Windows 11. First, you wanna search for performance options or adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on it and it should bring up this window. Now you wanna change this to custom and make sure the smooth edges of screen fonts is checked. If it's not checked already, you need to check it, and then click on apply and OK. Next, you want to click on the start menu again and search for adjust clear type or clear type text. Click on it and it should bring up this window, and then click next, and then click yes, I want to tune all monitors now. You have multiple monitors, and then click next, and then choose which text is the best or appears the best on your monitor, and then click next and choose from different samples which one is the best. Click next and then do the same for these 4 steps and click next again, and it will tell you that you have finished tuning the text on the monitor. Click next. Now that should restore the font back to default in your Windows. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.